Most people get this wrong. They think Cash Caddy is just another payday advance for BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment plans, and budgeting tools in one simple platform. When used responsibly, it can help cover urgent expenses without creating long-term debt. Here's how Cash Caddy works. You can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within a few hours. Eligible purchases can also be split into smaller installments over a few weeks. Cash Caddy charges a flat, predictable fee instead of interest, making costs transparent. It also offers optional tools to track spending, set alerts for upcoming payments, and manage your cash flow. The downside? Overuse can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments quickly add up, and relying too heavily on the app may hide deeper budgeting issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only borrow what you can repay on time. 2. Use automatic reminders to avoid fees. 3. Keep a small emergency fund for unexpected costs. Who should use Cash Caddy? People with steady income who need occasional short-term cash or help managing bigger purchases. If your income is unpredictable or repayment discipline is weak, Cash Caddy may cost more than it saves. In conclusion, Cash Caddy in 2026 is a convenient financial tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees, stick to repayment schedules, and use it as a temporary aid rather than a permanent solution. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews and tips for smarter money management.